Let's enjoy the summer days with the most refreshing and tasty drink that can be made within minutes. What if I say just 2 tablespoons of this premix, and in 1 minute you can prepare 50 glasses of this refreshing tasty club soda within minutes at your home. So stay tuned for this entire video. We'll be in love with this recipe. Enjoy! Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Current English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my video. Let's begin with this yummy drink recipe. First, I have taken here half a cup of cumin seeds, approximately 6 tablespoons, and to this I will be adding some peppercorns, 1 teaspoon. All ingredients of this premix have its own medicinal features or qualities that are a boon for the summer. So here goes some fennel seeds, naturally known for its cooling properties, some green cardamom, whole coriander seeds around 1 tablespoon. All these ratios are fixed, so make sure you make this premix according to this ratio. Nicely I'll dry roast it for just 45 to 60 seconds, not more than that. 45 to 50 seconds of dry roasting this spice will enhance the flavors, and afterwards I let it cool. So it's done here. You can see it has changed color. In medium flame I have dry roasted for around 60 seconds, and to this again I'll be adding raw cumin seeds, half cup, 6 tablespoon more, and to this I'll be adding chaat masala or chaat powder, 2 tablespoon for the tangy flavor, dry ginger powder around 4 tablespoon. This has a lot of cooling properties. Black salt around 3.5 teaspoon. And now for sweetening I will be using rock sugar, or commonly known as Mishri. You can also use the normal sugar, but adding rock sugar to this recipe enhances the medicinal properties of this recipe, especially it has the cooling effects for your guts. So here I have added 1 cup. So this goes here, and now I will make a fine powder of this mixture, and make sure to sieve this mixture so that if some ingredients are left out, that can be sieved. And after sieving it nicely, I'll store it in a nice airtight container, and this magical premix is ready. Just 2 tablespoons for each glass and we are done. We'll be adding some ingredients and it's ready to be savored. So let's prepare. So for each glass I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice to each glass, and then I'll be adding some mint leaf for freshness. So here I have squeezed 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Some chopped mint leaves I have added. You can also crush them, but this gives a very nice body and texture to our dish. So here goes some fresh chopped mint leaves and 2 tablespoons of this premix that we have prepared. Here I want to mention, if you want to enhance the sweetness, you can add some sugar powder at this stage, but for me this is okay, so I have continued in this. But if you want to enhance the sweetness, you can add some sugar powder more or some sugar syrup. Some soaked chia seeds I have added, around 1 tablespoon of soaked chia seeds for each glass. Ice cubes goes in, and here I have prepared 2 types of this club soda or shikanji, one with a chili flavor and the other with the regular taste of this premix. So now it's time to add sparkling water or the soda water. This goes in. Do not level it up as it will reduce. So here I have added, and after waiting for few seconds, when it levels up, I'll be adding little bit more so that I can top it off. You can see the consistency, the smell, it's so heavenly. The mint leaves, all the fresh ingredients we have used with the soaked chia seeds and the chaat masala, everything has its own vibe. So here goes in. You can also prepare this with normal cold water. Again, it's up to your wish. Give it a nice mix so that everything can be summed up beautifully, and as I had said, you can adjust the sweet level according to your taste buds. Can you believe we have just made this beautiful drink at our home in the most hygienic way? Loads and loads of medicinal properties. The ingredients that you have used will make your body cool and your mind refreshing. Do try this. I have served it with some lemon wedges. Be it summer days or Ramadan days or Holi or any festival, just 2 tablespoons and you will surprise everyone around you. Now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Anybody Can Dream. The comment is on the recipe of butter garlic prawns, which is prepared within 5 minutes. Yes, it's literally done within 5 minutes, and I'm so glad this recipe is liked by so many souls. So the comment says, perfect recipe, tried it out, came out so well. Thanks a lot ma'am for the excellently explained video and cool recipe. Thank you so much for loving my recipe, and thank you so much for letting me know your feedback. Stay safe and stay connected. And for today's recipe, this is a sure hit once you try. Do let me know in your feedbacks. If you have loved the video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and not forget to subscribe to my page. You can also follow Sue's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.